Recording.
All right, we are on Wayah Road, just west of Franklin, North Carolina. We're going to take the long way home. We just left Harbor Freight, which is about, give or take, maybe 1.5 miles, 2 miles from here. It's not the closest Harbor Freight to my house, but it is the funnest route to get to Harbor Freight and go home. That, and every time that I'm in Blue Ridge, Georgia, it just makes me think of banjo music. And I apologize if you're from Blue Ridge, Georgia, but Fannin County is absolutely the inbreeding capital of Georgia. Yeah, Harbor Freight had those orange gloves on sale this weekend, I should say. This weekend, they're on sale. They're 50% off. But if you're a Inside Track Club member, the sale started yesterday. And I was down to 1 box of gloves left. They haven't had a sale in about 3 months, and I go through a lot of those orange gloves. Those orange gloves are 7 mil, and they give a lot more protection. They don't blow out, I should say. Not really protection. Look at that hawk. They don't blow out as fast as the 5 mil gloves do. The last sale, I bought a couple boxes of those green 5 mil. And they're exactly like the blue 5 mil. They blow out pretty quick though. The orange ones, I can change a set of tires on a motorcycle and not have to change out my gloves in the middle of the job. But Wayah Road, it's the first Tuesday in February. I think this is February 2nd. And this is the first time in 2026 that I've been on Wayah Road. You can tell, I'm sorry, this is March 2nd, March 2nd. It's March already. And it's the first time in 2026 that I've been on Wayah Road. That place is kind of cool. I like Wayah Road. I'm going to start riding it more often. I'm going to ride a lot more things more often this year. For those of you who do follow me regularly, or just started following my videos, I retired in July. July 18th was my official last day of working for an AI company. Look at this clown. I guess I still sort of work for an AI company, but I stopped working for a clinical AI company I'm now working for Amazon. And Amazon has got to be the funnest job I've ever had in my entire life. Or maybe it's just fun because I don't need a job. They don't pay any money. My last job paid me $600 a day. Now I don't make $600 a week. But I also don't have any stress. I go to work, I have a lot of fun. I'm gonna say I absolutely love working with about 90% of the people at the Amazon facility where I'm at. The management is good. The warehouse manager's good. He's funny. But the people in these mountains here who are working at the Amazon, some of the nicest people you will ever meet. I hope you have a job where the people are as nice as the Amazon employees in Hayesville, North Carolina. I work 5 or 6 days a week there. Typically I work Monday through Friday. I like working Sundays, but once it starts warming up and I can get out in the morning, daylight savings hits, where it's daylight at 6 a.m. I'm not working Sundays. I'm going to be on a motorcycle here in the mountains. But my goal is, my schedule is 4 in the morning to 9 in the morning. And that makes me about $85. So if I made $85 today, and I can go home and get on a motorcycle at 10 o'clock in the morning, technically that gives me $20 for gasoline and about $50 after taxes to eat on. So that's a pretty good budget. Now, don't get me wrong, I did already, when I quit my job, I already budgeted for tires, gasoline, and food. And I don't know if I put it in videos, but July, August, September, when I was out riding, my goal was to keep my day under $30. And some of that was pretty hard. There were some days I'd want to stop for a hamburger. And if you stop and get a hamburger and fries and drink, it's setting you back $25 these days. Sometimes you have to splurge. This road is so fun. It's so different without the leaves on the trees.